Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you today? Miss Maria senang sekali bisa kembali menyapa kalian lewat video pembelajaran kali ini. Nah, anak-anak, setelah kalian sudah melewati berbagai macam ujian penilaian tengah semester yang pertama, saatnya kalian masuk ke bab yang baru, yaitu Unit 3. Ya, anak-anak sudah siapkan student book-nya? Oke, please open page 30, halaman 30. Oke, anak-anak, di unit ini kita akan belajar, dilihat itu apa judulnya? My favorite food. Ya, my favorite food. Makanan kesukaanku. Ya, in this unit, we will learn about kinds of food, of course. Belajar macam-macam makanan dan minuman, and then offering and asking for something to eat or drink, and also asking how something looks, smells, or tastes. Ya, jadi nanti yang kita pelajari 3. Yang pertama, macam-macam makanan dan minuman. Yang kedua, menawarkan dan menanyakan apakah orang lain itu ingin sesuatu. Ya, lalu yang ketiga adalah bertanya bagaimana rasanya makanan, bagaimana baunya makanan, dan bagaimana makanan itu terlihat. Ya, waduh, kelihatannya enak atau baunya enak, rasanya enak. Nah, itu bagaimana nanti kita akan pelajari ya. Oke, now let's start from the first kinds of food and drink. Okay, listen and say. Listen and say. Okay? You ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and say. Number 1.
Bread,
Bread.
Number 2.
cheese,
Cheese.
Number 3.
chips,
Chips.
Number 4.
fish,
Fish.
Number 5.
ice cream,
Ice cream.
Number 6.
meat,
Meat.
Number 7.
salad,
Salad.
Number 8.
juice,
Juice. Okay, now repeat after me once again. Bread. Cheese. Chips. Fish. Ice cream. Meat. Salad. Juice. Okay, there are some kinds of food and drink. Ya, ada roti, keju, keripik, and then ikan, es krim, daging, sayuran, dan jus. Okay, Miss Mar yakin, I'm sure that you like some of this food. Ya, beberapa dari kalian pasti ada yang suka roti, ada yang suka es krim, ada yang suka ikan, ada yang suka jus, ada yang suka daging. Tapi Miss Mar nggak yakin kalau kalian suka sayuran. Siapa di sini yang suka sayuran? Iya, sayuran itu penting. Jangan cuman es krim aja, jus, terus kemudian keju, roti, tapi sayuran juga harus dimakan supaya gizi seimbang, badan sehat. Corona tidak berani mendekat. Iya, anak-anak tetap jaga kesehatan ya dengan makan makanan yang sehat. Tidak hanya enak, tetapi juga yang menyehatkan. Oke. Nah, you can see Emma's family is having a picnic. Ya, mereka sedang berpiknik, bersenang-senang di luar ruangan. Oke. Itu. Claire, who's Claire? Siapa Claire itu? Claire is Emma's mom. Ya, ini orang mamanya Emma ini namanya Claire, and then this is Steve. Am I right? Bener nggak? Bener ya namanya Steve ya, bukan Steven kan? Oh, Steven. Sorry. Steven is Emma's dad ini ya. And then there is Alex, Brian, and then maybe this is Emma's uncle ya, aunt, and then mungkin those people are their neighbors ya, mungkin ya. Oke, ada yang suka chips, ada yang that's Brian. Brian holds a cup of ice cream, and then Claire is having salad, and maybe the uncle is grilling some fish and meat. Ya, you can see there. Oke. Ya, itu ada kegiatan yang sangat menyenangkan ya. Oke. Now I want you to pay attention to part E, page 31. Jadi halaman 31 bagian E yang ada dalam kotak itu, anak-anak perhatikan itu ya. Oke. Miss Mar akan membaca, anak-anak dengarkan, perhatikan dulu. Terutama kata-kata yang dicetak tinta merah. Oke, you ready? I want cheese, please. He wants salad. She wants salad. Brian wants ice cream. They want chips. Okay, once again. But this time you will say after me. Kalian ucapkan setelah Miss Mar. I want cheese, please. Good. He wants salad. She wants salad. Brian wants ice cream. They want chips. Oke, good. Nah, anak-anak perhatikan, di situ ada kata yang dicetak merah kan? Nah, ada dua macam. Yang pertama, want. Yang kedua, wants. Betul? Iya. Yang pertama apa tadi? Want. Yang kedua, wants. Nah, anak-anak perhatikan. Want itu dipakai siapa? I dengan they. Betul. I, saya, they, mereka, yang artinya banyak orang. Itu menggunakan want. Ya, jika, menginginkan atau ingin atau mau gitu ya, want. Tapi yang tipe kata yang kedua yang wants, itu siapa yang memakainya? Iya, he atau she. Ya, atau nama orang. Nama orang singular atau satu. Ya, seperti Brian atau Emma atau Steven. Ya, kalau orangnya satu itu menggunakan wants. Oke? Kalau I, you, they itu pakainya want yang tanpa S. Oke ya? Lalu yang he, she atau nama orang single seperti Emma, Steven, Alex itu menggunakan wants yang ada S-nya. Oke, ingat ya. Miss Mar ulang, yang pakai want tadi ada 3. Siapa aja? I, you, they. Good. Yang pakai wants. He, she, atau nama orang yang single, yang satu. Oke. Kalau misalnya Emma and Brian, pakai want atau wants? Want yang betul, karena lebih dari 1. Good. Now, let's move on to page Sebelum masuk ke halaman selanjutnya. Untuk mengerti materi want and wants ini, mari kita dengarkan sebuah lagu ya. Satu kali aja. Dua kali, ding. Satu kali ya. Dua kali ya. Ini yang pertama. Yuk.
D.
Halaman
Sing
114.
a song.
Halaman
Turn to
114.
page 114.
Ya.
I'm very hungry. It's dinner time. What do you want? What do you want? I want meat. Please. Meat, meat, meat. Thank you. That's what I want. He's very hungry. It's dinner time. What does he want? What does he want? He wants bread. Please. Bread, bread, bread. Thank you. That's what he wants. I'm very hungry. It's dinner time. What do you want? What do you want? I want chips. Please. Chips, chips, chips. Thank you. That's what I want. She's very hungry. It's dinner time. What does she want? What does she want? She wants salad. Please. Salad, salad. Thank you. That's what she wants. They're very hungry. It's dinner time. What do they want? What do they want? They want ice cream, please. Ice cream. Thank you. That's what they want.
Oke, itu tadi lagunya. Sudah bisa? Nanti kalian dengarkan sendiri ya. Oke, now let's listen to it once again and then we will circle the word that we hear. Halaman 32 anak-anak. Buka halaman 32. Kalian dengarkan lagi lagunya, lalu lingkari kata apa yang kamu dengar. Oke, you ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and sing. Then circle.
I'm very hungry. It's dinner time. What do you want? What do you want? I want meat. Please. Meat, meat, meat. Thank you. That's what I want. He's very hungry. It's dinner time. What does he want? What does he want? He wants bread. Please. Bread, bread, bread. Thank you. That's what he wants. I'm very hungry. It's dinner time. What do you want? What do you want? I want chips. Please. Chips, chips, chips. Thank you. That's what I want. She's very hungry. It's dinner time. What does she want? What does she want? She wants salad. Please. Salad, salad. Thank you. That's what she wants. They're very hungry. It's dinner time. What do they want? What do they want? They want ice cream, please. Ice cream. Thank you. That's what they want.
Oke, sudah? Oke, let's check the answer together. Number 1, I want. Oke, yang kiri ya. I want what? Meat. Good. I want meat. Number 2, He wants. Good. Bread or fish? Bread. Yes, he wants bread. Number 3. I want juice or chips? Chips. Good. I want chips. Chips, chips, chips. Yeah. Number 4. She wants fish or salad? Salad. Very good. She wants salad. Last one, number 5. They want ice cream or cheese? Ice cream. They want ice cream. Very good, everyone. I know you can do it well. Now, let's move on to B. Read and answer. Lunch at school. I like eating lunch at school. The food always looks good. What do we want for lunch today? Emma wants bread and cheese. Brian wants meat. I want chips, but they're not good for you. I want a salad. Okay. Sudah? Now, prepare your pencil. We will write the answer. What do they want for lunch? Number 1. Emma wants blank blank and blank blank. What does she want? What does she want? Bread and cheese. Good. Bread and cheese. Number 2. Brian wants blank blank blank. What does Brian want? Brian wants meat. Good. Meat. Yes. Last one. Alex wants blank blank and blank blank. What does Alex want? Alex wants chips and salad. Oke, good. Kalau ini terlalu cepat anak-anak bisa memberhentikan dulu sementara video ini kalian kerjakan, lalu kalian boleh putar kembali videonya ya, supaya ini nggak terlalu lama. Oke. Now, page 33. Bagian A. What do you want to eat or drink? Draw your food. Nanti anak-anak gambar makanan yang ingin kamu makan atau minum sekarang. Ya nggak sekarang, pokoknya yang kalian suka dan kalian ingin makan, kalian gambar di sini ya. Nanti gambarnya setelah menonton video pembelajaran ini. Oke ya. Itu yang A, yang ini. You can draw your favorite food or drink here. Okay? Now, let's move on to part B. In question and answer. Perhatikan yang atas itu ya. What do you want? Ulangi Miss Maria ya. What do you want? I want ice cream, please. I want ice cream, please. Oke. Sekarang yang bawah. Itu di situ ada he, garis miring she gitu kan? Oke, satu-satu ya. Ulangi Miss Maria. What does he want? What does he want? He wants ice cream. He wants ice cream. Oke. Sekarang yang she. What does she want? What does she want? She wants ice cream. She wants ice cream. Good. Sekarang yang terakhir. What do they want? What do they want? They want ice cream. They want ice cream. Oke, ya. Itu tadi adalah pertanyaan dan jawaban menanyakan seseorang ingin makan apa. Oke, what do you want? I want bread, please. Lalu ada kakak kita, misalnya adik kita laki-laki. What does he want? Laki-laki kan? What does he want? He wants salad. Lalu ada kakak kita perempuan. What does she want? Perempuan kan? What does she want? She wants fish. She wants fish. Lalu datang papa dan mama kita. Papa dan mama. What do they want? What do they want? They want meat. They want meat. Oke, ya nanti Bisma ada kasih catatannya ya. Oke, now let's move on to page 34. Ya, 34. Oke, sedikit lagi kita selesai ya. Now let's listen and read the story. Oke ya, ini ada cerita singkat. Anak dengarkan, nanti kita bahas dan kita jawab pertanyaannya ya.
A. Listen and repeat. I'm tired. I need a break. I can help. Brian, what do you want?
I want fish, please. It looks good.
Okay, it's ready.
It looks bad. It smells bad. It tastes bad, too.
Iya, ini sudah ya ceritanya. Tadi keluarganya Emma berpiknik kan? And then the grandpa said, I'm tired. I need a break. Aku capek, aku ingin istirahat gitu kan. And then Stephen, Emma's dad, I can help. Aku bisa bantu. Okay, and then Stephen said, Brian, what do you want? Brian, kamu pengen apa? Tuh di situ ada daging, ada ikan gitu ya. Okay. And then Brian said, I want fish, please. It looks good. Aku ingin ikan. Kelihatannya enak. It looks good, itu artinya kelihatannya enak. Kelihatannya. Oke. Oke, it's ready. Nah, tapi itu asapnya kok sudah hitam-hitam gitu ya, udah coklat mau ke hitam gitu ya, coklat tua gitu ya. Oke, it's ready. Kalau ada asap yang sudah coklat sampai hitam berarti kayaknya panggangannya gosong. Nah, lalu it looks bad. Kelihatannya nggak enak. It smells bad. Baunya juga nggak enak. It tastes bad too. Rasanya juga nggak enak. Jadi, it looks bad artinya kelihatannya nggak enak. It smells bad. Baunya juga nggak enak. It tastes bad too. Rasanya juga tidak enak. Okay, now let's answer the questions together. Okay. Number 1, what does Brian want? What does Brian want? A, meat, B, fish. Yes, Brian wants fish. Kalian beri tanda checklist gitu ya. Number 2, does the food taste good? Does the food taste good? Apakah makanannya terasa enak? A, yes it does. B, no it doesn't. B, no it doesn't. Iya, oke ya. Good. Now, bisa ulang lagi ya. It looks, titik-titik, itu artinya kelihatannya. Looks. It smells, titik-titik, itu artinya baunya. It tastes, titik-titik, itu artinya rasanya. Oke ya, bisa good, bisa bad. Oke. The last page we will learn today, halaman terakhir yang akan kita pelajari hari ini itu halaman 35, ya. Now listen again and say. Vocabulary.
A. Listen and say. Number 1.
Cake.
Cake.
Number 2.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Number 3.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Number 4.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Number 5.
Bad.
Bad.
Number 6.
Good.
Good.
Number 7.
Sour.
Sour.
Number 8.
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay. Repeat after me once again. Cake. Lemonade. Pasta. Pizza. Bad. Good. Sour. Sweet. Oke, artinya yuk. Cake, kue. Lemonade, es lemon ya, oke. Untuk es jeruk bisa ya. Lemon sih ini. Pasta, ya pasta ya. Pizza, juga pizza. Bad, nggak enak ya. Good, lezat atau enak. Sour, masam atau kecut. Sweet, manis. Oke. Now, the last part, part C, we will discuss about this. Listen, then look at the picture. Ask and answer. Listen, dengarkan dulu. Look at the pictures. Nanti look at the pictures and then ask and answer atau dialog ya. Now, listen first, okay?
C. Listen. Then look at the pictures. Ask and answer.
Does the pasta look good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Does the pasta smell good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Does the pasta taste good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't.
Okay. Okay. Now, repeat after me. Does the pasta look good? Does the pasta look good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Does the pasta smell good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Does the pasta taste good? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Oke. Does the pasta look good? Itu artinya, apakah pasta itu kelihatannya enak? Jawabannya kemungkinan 2. Bisa iya, bisa tidak. Jika iya, yes, it does. Jika tidak, no, it doesn't. Ya, anak-anak, jika anak-anak menemukan kalimat seperti ini yang ada tanda miring, itu artinya dipilih salah satu ya, nak? Iya, dipilih salah satu, bukan dua-duanya ya. Oke, look itu kelihatannya, ingat tadi ya. Does the pasta smell good? Apakah pasta itu baunya enak? Smell itu baunya? Bisa 2 juga kemungkinannya jawabannya. Kalau iya, yes it does. Kalau tidak, no it doesn't. Good. Does the pasta taste good? Apakah pastanya terasa enak? Rasanya enak. Taste itu rasa ya. Jika iya menjawabnya, yes it does. Jika tidak, no it doesn't. Good. Nah, jadi anak-anak, berarti kan di sini kan dicetak merah semua ya. Look itu artinya kelihatannya. Oke. Smell artinya baunya. Taste artinya rasanya. Oke. Nah, anak-anak, ini adalah tugas kamu yang pertama, yaitu membuat dialog. Oke, dialog dengan orang lain ya. Bukan dibaca sendiri, dijawab sendiri, bukan. Tanya jawab. Oke, namanya tanya jawab itu harus dengan orang lain ya. Anak-anak pilih 2. Di sini ada 4 gambar kan? Ada 4 gambar, anak-anak pilih 2. Nomor 1 sama nomor 2 boleh, nomor 2 sama nomor 4 boleh, nomor 3 sama nomor 1 boleh, terserah. Pilih 2 dari 4 ini, lalu kalian bikin tanya jawab seperti ini. Ya, sudah disediakan. Ini ada look good, ada smell bad, ada look sweet, ada taste sour. Kalian gunakan yang ini. Ya, oke? Lalu jawabannya 1, kalau yes ya yes aja, kalau no ya no aja. Jangan dua-duanya dijawab. Oke? Pilih salah satu. Kalau ada, ingat kalau ada tanda miring begini itu artinya suruh milih. Ya, bukan dua-duanya. Oke, itu tadi tugas yang pertama, dialog. Direkam dalam suara saja boleh, dengan gambar atau dengan kelihatan orangnya juga boleh. Ya, seperti biasa dikirim ke WA-nya Miss Maria. Itu tugas yang pertama, yaitu tugas di dialog ya, student book halaman 35. Dan yang kedua, ada tugas dari workbook anak-anak kerjakan dari halaman 22 sampai 25. Oke, 22 sampai 25. Udah, itu aja tugasnya. Misal ulang yang pertama yaitu dialog dari student book halaman 35 dan dari workbook halaman 22 sampai 25. Oke? Oke, I think that's all for our today's lesson. I will see you next week. Goodbye everyone.